Stop believing the lie that after 60, your muscles are destined to wither away unless you spend a fortune on high-tech protein powders. The multi-billion-dollar supplement industry wants you to think a chemical shake is the only answer, but clinical nutrition reveals a much more powerful truth. As a man over 60, your body is currently fighting a silent biological battle called anabolic resistance. This means your skeletal muscles are effectively deaf to the protein signals they once easily processed in your youth. To flip the switch back to growth, you don't need a processed powder stripped of its natural cofactors. You need specific bioavailable whole foods that deliver a steady, sustained flow of essential amino acids directly to your muscle fibers. In today's video, we are stripping away the marketing hype to examine 7 affordable everyday foods that research proves can actually outperform expensive supplements in real-world strength support. These selections are chosen for their superior digestibility, their rich mineral profiles, and their unique ability to trigger muscle protein synthesis in the aging male system. We are counting down to the single most complete protein source available for about $1. Before we begin, I have a question. What is your primary fitness goal this year? Is it improving your balance, increasing your strength, or simply reclaiming your daily energy? Let's start with number 7. Number 7, lentils and beans. Most men over 60 assume that animal protein is the only path to strength, but clinical nutrition reveals that legumes are a strategic tool for metabolic resilience. As we age, our digestive efficiency declines, and heavy protein powders can lead to systemic inflammation. Lentils provide a slow-digesting, high-fiber protein source that delivers a steady stream of amino acids without the metabolic crash of processed shakes. Research confirms that when total protein intake is balanced, plant proteins stimulate muscle synthesis at levels comparable to commercial whey. Financially, providing 20 grams of protein through dry lentils costs approximately 40 cents, compared to $2 for a typical supplement scoop. To maximize these benefits, you must pair lentils with specific metabolic catalysts. For a complete amino acid profile, always combine lentils with a complex carbohydrate like brown rice or quinoa. This pairing ensures your body receives all 9 essential amino acids required for muscle repair. To improve digestibility and mineral absorption, squeeze fresh lemon juice over your lentils or add a side of bell peppers. The vitamin C significantly increases the bioavailability of the plant-based iron, fueling the red blood cells that carry oxygen to your working muscles. This simple 40-cent investment ensures your nitrogen balance remains positive for just pennies a day. But while lentils provide a solid foundation, our next food offers a unique type of healthy fat that acts as a time-release mechanism for protein. Let's look at number 6. Number 6, peanut butter. Many men over 60 view this as a snack, but in clinical longevity, it is a high-efficiency fuel source. The primary challenge for the aging body is anabolic resistance, where muscles require more effort to process protein. Peanut butter provides a unique combination of plant-based protein and monounsaturated fats. This fat content slows digestion, ensuring a sustained, slow-drip release of amino acids into your bloodstream. Research confirms that when seniors combine healthy fats with protein, nitrogen balance improves, helping the body retain muscle tissue. Financially, 3 tablespoons of natural peanut butter deliver 15 grams of protein for only 35 cents, while a high-end protein bar with the same protein content costs nearly $3. To maximize these results, you must pair peanut butter with strategic cofactors. For a powerful strength-supporting snack, spread 2 tablespoons of peanut butter on a slice of whole-grain rye bread. The complex fiber in the rye works with the healthy fats to stabilize your insulin response, ensuring the protein is used for muscle maintenance rather than stored as fat. For a pre-workout energy boost, pair peanut butter with a sliced banana. The potassium in the banana protects against muscle cramps, while the peanut butter's protein provides the steady energy required for resistance training. This simple, affordable shift keeps your muscles functional and resilient. But as effective as peanut butter is for sustained energy, the food in our next section offers a massive surge of leucine, the primary trigger for muscle growth. Let's look at number 5. Number 5, canned tuna. For many seniors, this is the ultimate convenience food for muscle repair. The primary biological advantage of tuna is its high concentration of leucine. Clinical research suggests that aging muscles require nearly 30% more leucine per meal than younger men to effectively trigger the ignition switch for protein synthesis. A single can of tuna delivers 26 to 30 grams of pure protein, providing the exact biological signal your body needs to stop muscle breakdown. Financially, while a high-protein, ready-to-drink shake costs over $4, a can of tuna provides the same high-quality amino acids for only about $1 to $1.25. To maximize these functional benefits, you must pair tuna with specific cofactors. For a powerful muscle-building lunch, mix your tuna with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or half an avocado. The healthy fats improve the absorption of tuna's fat-soluble nutrients and reduce systemic inflammation. For a post-exercise recovery meal, pair your tuna with complex carbohydrates like a small sweet potato or whole grain crackers. The glucose from the carbs helps shuttle the 30 grams of tuna protein directly into your muscle fibers for rapid repair. This simple $1 investment ensures your body remains in a state of repair rather than breakdown. But while tuna is a powerful daytime protein, our next food offers a specific type of protein that protects your muscles while you sleep. Let's look at number 4. Number 4, cottage cheese. This traditional dairy staple is a biological powerhouse for men over 60 due to its high concentration of casein protein. Unlike whey, which spikes amino acids quickly and then fades, casein provides a sustained, slow drip release that lasts for up to 7 hours. This is critical because as we age, our bodies enter a vulnerable catabolic state during sleep, where muscle tissue is often sacrificed for energy. Clinical research from Maastricht University confirms that consuming 30 to 40 grams of casein before bed significantly increases overnight muscle protein synthesis. Financially, while a specialized nighttime casein supplement costs over $2.50 per serving, a cup of cottage cheese delivers the same 28 grams of slow-release protein for approximately 80 cents to $1. To maximize these functional benefits, you must pair cottage cheese with specific metabolic cofactors. For the ultimate nocturnal recovery, mix your cottage cheese with a handful of walnuts or flax seeds. The healthy fats further decelerate the digestion of casein, ensuring your muscles have a constant supply of building blocks throughout the entire night. If you use it as a post-workout meal, combine it with sliced pineapple or papaya. These fruits contain natural enzymes like bromelain and papain that assist your aging digestive tract in breaking down the dense protein structures more efficiently. This simple $1 investment ensures your body remains in a state of repair rather than breakdown. But as powerful as casein is for nighttime, the food in our next section offers a different type of protein that is even easier to digest while providing double the probiotic benefit. Let's look at number 3. Number 3, Greek yogurt. This modern staple is a biological upgrade for any senior looking to maximize muscle protein synthesis without digestive strain. The primary advantage of Greek yogurt is its straining process, which removes excess lactose and concentrates the protein content to nearly double that of regular yogurt. Clinical studies from the American College of Nutrition suggest that older adults who consume high-protein fermented dairy experience improved muscle thickness and enhanced mobility. A single 1-cup serving delivers approximately 18 to 22 grams of highly bioavailable protein. Financially, while a high-protein wellness beverage costs between $3.50 and $4.50, a serving of plain Greek yogurt provides the same high-quality amino acids and live probiotics for only about 90 cents to $1.10. To optimize the functional results, you must pair Greek yogurt with specific nutrient-dense cofactors. For a powerful breakfast that protects your muscle mass, mix your yogurt with a tablespoon of chia seeds or pumpkin seeds. The zinc and omega-3s in these seeds work synergistically with the yogurt's protein to support hormonal health and reduce cellular inflammation. If you're consuming it as a midday snack, add a handful of berries or a drizzle of raw honey. The natural polyphenols improve your body's ability to utilize the protein for repair. This simple $1 investment ensures your gut microbiome is optimized for nutrient absorption, which is the foundation of strength after 60. But while Greek yogurt is a digestive powerhouse, our next food is the world's most concentrated natural source of B12 and heme iron, nutrients that act like high-octane fuel for your muscle-building enzymes. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, chicken liver. This is perhaps the most biologically potent food on our list, yet it is often ignored in the modern senior diet. Clinical nutrition identifies chicken liver as a superfood because it provides a massive concentration of B12, heme iron, and vitamin A, nutrients that act as mandatory cofactors for muscle metabolism. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 and iron from plant sources or processed powders significantly decreases. A single 3-ounce serving of chicken liver delivers over 200% of your daily B12 requirement in its most bioavailable form. Financially, while a high-quality multivitamin or specialized energy supplement can cost $1.50 to $2 per dose, a serving of chicken liver provides a superior natural spectrum of these nutrients for only about 50 to 70 cents. To maximize the functional benefits of this nutrient powerhouse, you must pair chicken liver with specific metabolic activators. For the best muscle recovery, sauté your chicken liver with onions and garlic. These allium vegetables contain sulfur compounds that assist the liver in detoxification and improve the utilization of the high-quality protein. To enhance iron absorption, always pair this meal with a vitamin C source, such as a squeeze of fresh lemon or a side of bell peppers. Avoid consuming it with high-calcium dairy in the same meal, as calcium can compete with iron for absorption in the senior digestive tract. This simple 50-cent investment provides the high-octane fuel your cells need to convert protein into real-world strength. But as dense as chicken liver is, our #1 spot belongs to the only food that mirrors the exact amino acid profile of human muscle tissue. Let's look at the ultimate winner. #1, whole eggs. This is the single most complete, naturally balanced muscle-building food available for seniors. Clinical nutrition identifies the whole egg as the gold standard for protein quality because its amino acid profile mirrors human skeletal muscle almost perfectly. A common mistake many men over 60 make is discarding the yolk to avoid cholesterol. However, research from the University of Illinois confirms that eating whole eggs triggers 40% more muscle protein synthesis than eating the same amount of protein from egg whites alone. This is because the yolk contains the critical micronutrients, vitamin D, selenium, and healthy fats that act as the biological keys to unlock protein utilization. Financially, while a high-end protein shake costs over $3, 2 large whole eggs provide 13 grams of the world's most bioavailable protein for only about 50 to 70 cents. To maximize the anabolic response, you must pair whole eggs with specific metabolic catalysts. For the ultimate strength-building breakfast, combine 2 whole eggs with a slice of sprouted whole grain toast or a side of sautéed spinach. The complex carbohydrates and magnesium in these pairings provide the stable insulin response needed to shuttle the egg's amino acids directly into your muscle tissues. If you prefer them as a post-exercise meal, soft boil or poach your eggs to keep the yolk's delicate fats intact, ensuring maximum absorption of the fat-soluble vitamins that support your hormonal health. This 50-cent daily habit is the most effective, science-backed way to protect your mobility and strength for a lifetime. So, here is your action blueprint. To reclaim your physical authority after 60, you don't need a shelf full of expensive supplements. You need to master these 7 biological pillars. From the slow-release casein in cottage cheese to the perfect amino acid profile of whole eggs, these $1 foods provide the precise chemical signals your muscles are screaming for. This isn't just about nutrition, it's about refusing to let a processed lifestyle dictate your strength, your mobility, or your independence. You have worked too hard to let aging become a synonym for fading. You deserve a body that matches the weight of the life you've built. If you are ready to stop surviving and start evolving, I want you to comment your age and which of these 7 foods you are adding to your grocery list this week. Your insight could be the breakthrough another man in this community needs. Like this video if it gave you the clarity you've been looking for, and subscribe to join a brotherhood of men who refuse to let age define their limits. Remember, your biology is not a fixed destination. It is a system you can influence every single day. Vitality after 60. Strength doesn't fade with age, it evolves.